Ready to talk about money. Money.
Money, money, money.
Money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Meghan and Matt's YouTube channel. I am Matt.
I'm Megan.
Today we're going to tell you how we make money. I'm not going to throw this bag of quarters, but
That's why I brought the quarters out.
I threw all of it instead of separately.
Okay.
Anyways,
This is how we make money on the road, full time. So we put out a poll on our community feed to see what you guys wanted to see next, and 42% of the votes went to how we make money on the road. So that's the reason why we're doing this video today, because you guys asked for it.
our primary source of income is Megan's income.
It's me. I am the lady of the house. The lady of the van, I should say. And I have a corporate job, and I take that on the road with me full time. So I sell financial technology, I have a base income, and I have a commission income. 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, that's what I do. So if there are a lot of people out there wondering, like, can I take my corporate job on the road? You gotta just ask. You know, like, sometimes they might be willing to. It depends on your manager. It doesn't really depend on the actual company. But the position that I have was always remote. So it really didn't make a difference for me to get on the road because I would be remote. So the only hard thing is we have to make sure that we always have service. We have to make sure that I have, I don't know, space, energy, and we need to wake up during Eastern time, which sucks on the West Coast. Am I misinterpreting anything?
No, it's just boring.
It is boring. My corporate job is boring. Is that what you really want to know?
As long as Megan gets her work done, her manager really doesn't care or check in and keep tabs on her. She's very good at her job, and that's what allows us to build out this van with no debt and live this lifestyle.
Yeah, so main source of income, my income, and that's how we pay for medical insurance, dental insurance. We have eye insurance, by the way. We could get our eyes checked.
The other source of income which we are working on growing is making money through brand partnerships. So we're working right now with a few different brands that are paying us to make content for them. And some of them may be sponsoring some of these videos in the future. So stay tuned for those and you'll find out who we're working with. And we're never going to promote anything that we don't use, love, and believe in. So don't worry, we're not going to be sellouts or anything.
Yeah, just in case you guys didn't know, like, we're making content for them. We're licensing that proprietary information for them, and we're not putting it on our socials. So in that case, like, they would be like a client of ours and we're making content for them. The other end of that is getting our videos and our content sponsored by some of these companies, and those are two different things actually.
Our third source of income is you guys on
YouTube! Yeah, so every time you guys look at an ad or click on an ad or anything along the lines of ads on YouTube, we will get a bit of a kickback. So far, in November, we've made $22.
Nice.
Yeah.
Retirement coming soon, baby.
Yeah. So we're actually in the process of trying to build multiple sources of income, and YouTube is a big part of it. We also think YouTube is a lot of fun. So
we love making videos, and we love
Yeah.
all the comments that we get from you guys saying how much you love our energy and stuff, and those comments really keep us happy, so
it keeps our energy up.
definitely. So keep those comments coming. We do it for you guys.
Yeah.
So one thing that we tried out was some work camping, which didn't work out for us. We were too new on the road. It wasn't the conditions that we thought we were going to be getting, and it just didn't work out. That was the beet harvest, and if you don't know about the beet harvest, we talked about it a few videos back, so maybe go check that out after you're done watching this one. Basically, it wasn't for us, but maybe down the line, after we've been on the road for a while and we're looking for a break, maybe then we'll try something like that again. But for now, we want to keep it moving, keep it fluid, keep it on the road.
Keep it on the road, yeah. The next way we make money is from gigs. So I put myself out there for design work, social media work, any type of work that I think I have skills for, and people ask me to do stuff and I do it and they give me money. So recently someone asked me to do a program event brochure for a high school musical. So it took me a few hours to do, and they're paying me a stipend to do it. So if I pick up these small things here and there, I'll usually allocate that towards like something special. Like we really want to get this front window cover that will match all of our window covers, but it's $400, so the money I made from making the program is going straight into this like dump fund.
Yeah, 'cause we dump stuff.
We dump funds.
Yeah, dump it. Dump 'em out. Another source of income that we have is investing. We have a lot of different types of investments that we could take money from if we needed to, but we're choosing to leave that money in and let that money keep growing through compound interest. So by the time we're old, we'll have even more money than if we were to take it out now.
Yeah, we kind of divide and conquer our investing. So I have a lot of money in stocks and a 401k through my company. Matt is really into crypto. We'll see how that goes. And if you're wondering how we invest on the road, let us know if that's a video you want us to make in the future. I'll put a link to Webull, the app that I use to make stock investments on the road. And if you want to check it out, check it out. Otherwise, we can make another video. Comment below.
So that's it, guys. That's how we make money on the road. And if you have any questions for us or anything else, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like, and if you like us, subscribe to our channel for more content. And we'll see you next time.
Watch more videos if you have time. We make a lot of them.